right, let's go on to question number 3. Question number 3 says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence 2? Let's go ahead and highlight sentence 2 so we can really focus on it. Let's read it. Costin said a storm that stay longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. A. Change stay to stays. Costin said a storm that stay longer. Storm is the subject and stay is the verb. Both the subject and the verb are singular, and that means they do not agree. If the subject is singular, that means the verb must be plural, adding an S. Let's read it now. Let's see if stay to stays does make sense. Costin said a storm that stays longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. There we go. We did our subject-verb agreement. That seems like the correct answer. But let's keep on reading just in case on B, C, and D, just to make sure that we got the right answer for sure. Okay. B, add a comma after coasts. Costin said a storm that stays longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. That seems fine the way it is. Let's add the comma and see how it changes the sentence. Costin said a storm that stays longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. No, that comma doesn't make sense there. When I put that comma there, it slows me down as a reader, and it doesn't make sense to split the sentence up like that. So that is not the correct answer. C, delete A. Costin said a storm that stays longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. If we delete A, let's see what happens. Costin said storm that stays longer over coasts is a more dangerous storm. This word A is necessary to have there because the word storm is singular. If it said storms here, it would make sense to take out the A. Costin said storms, so that would make sense. But since the word storm is singular, we need that A there to go along with the singular subject. So deleting A does not make any sense. And D, make no change. This one's also incorrect because like we saw here, we needed to change the word stay to stays to match the verb to the singular subject storm. So A is the correct answer.